Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add bank account on your Venmo. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your Venmo account, and once you're logged in, on the home page, tap on the icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. As you tap on it, on the other page, you have to tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on the gear icon, you'll be directed to settings page, and under settings you have multiple options. So from there you have to tap on payment method. As you tap on payment method, you have two different options. So from there you have to tap on add a bank or card. And as you tap on add a bank or card, there's a drop down menu. Once again you have a list of options. So from there you have to tap on bank. So in order to sign in into your bank account, you have to tap on instant verification right on top. And once again there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on continue. Now you have to select the bank account that you want to link. So then you have a list of options selected accordingly. As you're done selecting your bank account, now you have to enter your login credential that includes online ID and your password. And once you're done entering all of the information, tap on submit. And once again, in order to verify your identity, a verification code will be sent through your phone number, email or in text. So then select it accordingly, whichever is convenient for you. And after you enter the verification code, you've successfully linked your bank to your Venmo account. So that is how you can add bank account to your Venmo. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.